Hey everyone, welcome back to We Made It Fit. Today is a beautiful day, not because it's sunny outside, but because we are working our arms. Arm day is one of my favorite days, especially if we're targeting the biceps and the triceps. I love having nice, strong arms because at one point in my life, my arms were just these flimsy little chicken wings and I couldn't pick up anything or do anything with them at all. And so I feel like my arms are like one of my biggest accomplishments. So never be afraid to work on your arms. If you're a girl, you don't have to worry about getting bulky at all. It's really a game changer if you have some arm muscles. Just like regular everyday things, picking stuff up, it gets so much easier when you have just a little bit of strength in your arms. So don't neglect your arms. In today's workout, we are working our biceps and triceps. I have 3 sets for you, and we're going to do each move for about 15 reps each. And if you're starting out, or if you just like the traditional 12 reps, you can definitely do 10 to 12 reps for each move. This workout doesn't have any machines involved. We're just using dumbbells and cables and burning out our arms that way. Alright, before we get into this workout, make sure you give this video a thumbs up to support your girl. Hit that subscribe button down below so you're always getting the latest tips from We Made It Fit. And also you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and my blog, especially Instagram and my blog. I post on my blog quite frequently. And you can find me at We Made It Fit for all of those, and you will find me there. Alright guys, let's go and get into the workout. We're wasting no time with our arm workout today. Our first exercise is a barbell bicep curl, and you want to go a little bit closer with your hands, so it's more of a narrow curl. And this is just a different way to target the biceps, so just go ahead and place your hands just a little bit closer than you would with a normal curl, and curl up. With any bicep curl, you always want to make sure that your elbows are into your sides, and you want to make sure that your arms are closer to your stomach than to your back. So scoot your arms a little bit closer to the front. I think you can tell by my face that I'm working super hard. I'm not wasting any time. I'm lifting as heavy as I can. But you always want to make sure that you warm up your arms before you go into any heavy lifting. I always just warm up with the elliptical, maybe a couple of light weights before I get into any arm workout. Okay, our next move is a wide bicep curl with dumbbells. So instead of going in front of your body, you're going to turn your arms outward. And when you're curling up, make sure you're not rolling your wrists at all. And it's just a nice smooth curl, keeping those elbows into your sides. Those first weights were too heavy, so I moved on to lighter weights, but just continue. I'm going for 15 reps. You can do 10 to 12 as always. I just wanted to note, maybe you've noticed this before in a couple of my other videos, but I tend to take like really quick mini breaks in the middle of a set, especially when I can't finish a rep. And I just find that this helps me get through a set, especially if like my muscles are really just burning and I'm feeling the acid. It helps them to recover so I can get through the rest of the set. So it's always okay to take like a really quick mini break, just shake out your arms, shake out your legs. No shame, just get right back into it and do your best to finish your reps. The last exercise in our first superset is a single arm tricep overhead extension. So in each arm you're going to do 15 reps of a tricep extension. Just keep your dumbbell horizontal and lift up your arm straight up into the air. And you really want to make sure that your elbow is facing forward, so not outward but straight forward. And I'll change the angle in just a second and I'll show you what that looks like. So now you can see a little bit better how my elbow is pointing straight forward. So if you're looking at a mirror like I am, make sure that elbow is facing the mirror. My last note for this move is to make sure that when you're going down, you're stopping at a 90-degree angle. See how my arm was flat, and then you extend it, and you want to make sure you have a nice soft bend in the elbow when you're straightening your arm out. Never lock out those joints, guys. The first move in our second superset is a lying tricep press. So go ahead, grab a flat bench, lie down, and you want to keep those dumbbells horizontal and your palms facing you, and you're pressing straight up, keeping a nice soft bend in the elbows, going down to 90 degrees. And this is really going to target your triceps, and it's also a good little bicep burn as well. Our next move is a straight arm tricep kickback with a barbell. So grab a lighter barbell, and you want to make sure your palms are facing up toward the ceiling, and you're just going straight up and back, keeping a soft bend in those elbows. The last move in this tricep is a raised bicep curl on the cable. So you want to grab a handle extension and make sure you're lifting your elbow up so it's in line with your shoulder, nice and straight, and all you're going to do is curl in like a regular bicep curl, and you always want to make sure that your arm is not drooping down. So see how my arm is nice and still, only thing that is moving is my elbow, and so it's going to really help you to squeeze your core and keep everything nice and still so you're isolating that bicep. When you're done on this side, go ahead and flip on over to the other side and even it out. We're ending this workout with a nice little superset to burn out those bis and tris. So this first exercise is a single arm tricep pull down on the cable machine. You want to try to find a rope extension. There's usually a single rope extension in my gym, but I could not find it that day, so using a double rope is fine. Just grab one of the ends, and you want to stand nice and tall, keeping that arm straight, and all you're doing is moving your elbow down, pushing that tricep down with it, and bringing it back up. Nice soft bend in the elbow. Go ahead and do 15 reps on this side, 15 reps on the other side, and then we're moving on to the next exercise. Our last exercise is a hanging bicep curl, so find yourself an inclined bench and a lighter pair of dumbbells, and all you're doing with this move is alternating bicep curls. You want to make sure that you're starting with your arm straight and keeping it there when you're working on the other side, because this is going to keep those biceps activated the whole time. I love this move. It is such a good burnout for my arms. So just do this and the tricep pull down for 3 sets, and then you are all done. That was your arm workout for today. I hope you liked the video, and leave me a comment below telling me if you want to see more arm workouts or leg workouts or ab workouts. I'm always open to suggestions, so just tell me what you want to see and I'll do my best to make it happen. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today, and I will see you in the next video. Stay fit.